Harris. I am in 5th grade, and today my project is a hand crank generator I made. And pretty much what it does is when you turn it, as you can see right here, it generates energy, but the lights won't turn on because you have to have a lot of power. So if you spin it really fast, they will turn on and off. So it's pretty much that simple. And should I move to question and answers right now?
Do one more demo. So explain the electronics and then how you are using the oscilloscope.
So how a generator works is you got the magnets in the center, and then you got the coils of wire. And when you turn the magnets, it makes the electron flow in the coils and circular, and then it creates electricity. So if you turn it fast enough, it will power the lights. But the reason it won't, if you just turn it slowly, it won't generate that much, is because it's not wound up that much. So questions and then explain this. So what this is a stethoscope, and what it does is it shows how much voltage is being created in a given time. So when I turn it, when it pulses up, that's positive and negative. So as you can see, how much energy I am creating, and then you could adjust how much voltage. So let's go over a 2 volts. So every square is now 2 volts. So since it almost is up here at this square, that means it's reached 2 volts at that point. And then if I really turn it made it up. That's exactly 2 volts. So anyone have any questions?
How many volts are required to light the lights?
About 1.5 volts. Question?
Yeah, so, what does those things do, like those little circles?
These buttons, these notches adjust the voltage, and this one, I'm not familiar with this machine that much, so I don't know.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
How big's the magnet?
What?
How big is the magnet?
This is the magnet right here. So it's about, I would say, 2 inches by 2 inches. Your question?
What's the maximum voltage that the stethoscope can measure?
Without breaking? Let's say probably 240 volts.
Wow.
For the machine or
For the machine.
The oscilloscope. Yeah.
how for this thing too? How much?
I would think 4 volts at max if you really turn it fast. Question?
How did you build that machine?
I didn't build this machine.
That's some electrical engineering company built it, but that's a test equipment to test whether there is electrons flowing or not, and then how much of the electrons flow. So you measure using that test equipment. Does that make sense, Jack?
Really make sense to me.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Does it really make
Good.
sense to me?
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Luke.